Good morning, everyone. In last chapter we complete chapter electricity. Now we proceed on next chapter, which is chapter 13, magnetic effect of electric current. Before we start about magnetic effect of electric current, we need to introduce and we need to know some information about magnet. See, class 10th, chapter 13, and magnetic effect. Magnetic effect of electric current. Effect of electric current. Okay. So we know that what is magnet. Magnet. What is magnet? Let us see. If we take bar magnet is a rectangular shape of magnet, okay, having two pole, which is north pole and south pole. So first of all, we know that magnet is a substance which attract or distract another substance. Okay, next one, it has two pole, one is north pole and second is south pole. So there are two information. First, magnet attract or distract another object or another substance. Second, it has two pole, one is north pole and second is south pole. Okay, now let us see. We know that every magnet make a field. Every magnet make a field. If you talk about a area in which a police station are there also should have a field. From there to there, this is the circle in which that police station work. In another field, other police stations are there. Similarly, this magnet having some field where the property of magnet is applied. It means that if here is object, here is object, here is object, here is object, if in this field any object are there, this magnet show the property on that object, even attract or distract. So magnetic field produced by a magnet. Okay, now talk about magnetic field. Whatever the magnetic field, we arrange into magnetic field line. Magnetic field line. When we take some iron foil, put on the table and just put this bar magnet, after some time you see some curve lines are there, by which we can prove that there are so many curved field lines are there of magnetic field. Okay, so these magnetic field lines are started from north and end from south. Always it started from north and end at south. Okay, so and it makes curved. So first, the magnetic field lines are closed curve, which is started from always north pole to south pole. This is the basic concept of magnet. We have to consider it into understanding the all effects of magnetism. Okay, now we talk about next term, which is next thing. If we take two bar magnet having north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole. Okay, so let us see. This is the property of magnet. This is the property of magnet. Dislike Dislike pole attract each other. Dislike force attract each other. Means if this south pole are in this way in front of this north pole, then both magnet get attracted, okay, to each other. But if distract, attract. Okay, now if this is the bar magnet, okay, are placed in this way. So this is like pole. So in this case both of them distract each other, repel each other. Okay, so this is also a concept of magnet we need to understand. This like pole, dislike pole attract each other and like pole distract each other. Okay, so another thing related to magnet is if you suspend any magnet freely, then a time come when this magnet come at rest, then one pole of its direction, one pole in the direction of north and other pole in the direction of south. So this is the actual property of magnet. Whenever magnet suspended freely, then their poles are in, one pole are in north direction and other pole are in south direction. That's why we use magnet as a needle of compass to detect the direction of the direction. Okay, next, now we make a circuit and show how current effect on magnet and how magnet effect on current. Okay, so see, this is if this is circuit, in which a compass is joined, not joined. Okay, so this is circuit. Okay, minus plus, current is flowing. Okay, so if in this circuit current is flowing, we need to just add a compass into it. Now after placing the compass of needle into it, we need to just focus on the needle of compass. So if this is needle of compass, when we place it and just on the switch, right now switch is off and needle is in this direction. Once switch on, once current is flowing through the circuit, we observe that the needle of compass means magnet is deflect. Okay, so by this observation we understand that current applies some type of effect on this magnet right now. Okay, by this way we also make the field line. How? See, if we take a bar magnet, north pole and south pole, we just put a compass into there. The needle of compass is deflected in this way. Again we place here in this way. We just follow the direction of needle in this way, Hence we can understand that the magnet produce some magnetic field, and magnetic field having some magnetic field lines, and those magnetic field lines started from north pole and ended at south pole. First thing. Second thing, these magnetic field lines are closed curve. Okay, now the second most important thing, these magnetic field lines are never intersected each other. So magnetic field lines are closed curve. Okay, they started from north pole to ended at south pole, and they are never intersected. Okay, so this is all about the introduction part of magnet. We need to understand it.